Hello everyone! Today we're making an iconic Malaysian noodle soup, Seafood Laksa, using a trio of Sarangani-based fresh seafood products, white shrimps, Alaskan pollock, and squid rings. We begin by sautéing our shallots, lemongrass, and red curry paste. Then we add in our brown sugar and cook until melted. Pour in the broth and then the lime juice. Allow it to boil, then lower the heat. We can now add our Alaskan pollock, shrimps, and squid rings. Boil for 2 minutes and then lower the heat. Add in our coconut milk, kaffir lime leaves, fish sauce, and rice stick noodles. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and make sure that the noodles are chewy. And here's our laksa with white shrimps, Alaskan pollock, and squid rings. Enjoy!